All right. So here is some quick tip about coding in Vim. There is a popular plugin available also, and there are some handmade stuff. So I'll demonstrate you briefly about what I personally use. Okay, it might help you. Okay, to do that, let me go to my terminal and let me open empty buffer. Say for instance, this is a demonstration of, I always misspell that, God knows, demonstration of coding in Vim. Okay, so if I go back here, the beginning of the, I just have a bind in my Vimmercy, which I can do by just leader key is a semicolon key in my machine, so I press leader and double quote, bang. As you see, the particular word gets quoted. Okay, if I undo it, you can see it again. If I go to the beginning and then leader and double quote, it will quote the word simply. Okay, so how does it happen? So let me pull up grape a1 double quote Vimmercy. This is what I have in my Vimmercy. So basically it will, as you saw in the keystroke, the leader key is semicolon in my system. So semicolon and double quote surround the word where the cursor stands after the word. Okay, so it will enclose the word in quotes. Okay, basically appending the code, then it will just inserting the code at the end of the code and then just leave it there. Now this is the syntax I have in my Vimmercy. If you look into my Vimmercy online in GitHub, you'll find this stuff there in the Vimmercy itself. Okay, it's not a big deal, but it makes things convenient for me. Just press leader and double quote and it will quote the word surrounded by it. Okay, so the next one is I use Vim Surround, which is written by Tim Pope, like everyone else. So the basic thing is that if I want to quote the entire sentence, all I have to do in the normal mode, YSS and double quote, bang. You see the entire sentence get quoted with the double quote. Then all of a sudden you probably decide no, single quote will do better, so all you have to do in normal mode, CS double quote and then single quote, bang. You see the double quote gets converted or changed to a single quote, right? So if I do, let me undo it. Okay, now if I do to quote this particular word like YSW and then quote, see, particular word gets quoted. Okay, so this is pretty neat. So because I can't remember all the intricacies, so I take advantage of the helps which elaborately I have made videos in the past. You can go back to the channel and find it out. For this instance, let me bring up you can see the highlighted one, surround. I wrote that this is the simplest possible way to, if I forgot about something, I just bring up my help and get it done. Pretty darn simple. So there is no point of after few things you do by instinct while doing it year after year from the muscle memory, and something is not so frequent, so that time you take help what you built inside the editor, whatever the editor you are use, okay, or some other mechanism in your system, so it can promptly provide you the instance you are looking for. Okay, so to look for this, Vim surround, this is the first one. This is the one. Okay, so you can look into this, and you can easily this help to get you going inside Vim with coding related stuff. Okay, this is pretty darn simple, as I shown to you. Or if you don't like the what I say, you can customize or do some kind of key binding inside Vimmercy. And the very first instance I shown you that I have a specific key bind to code the specific word, that is little double quote. See, and it has got a key bind with the keystroke I shown to you. So you could put your own, or you could take advantage of the plugin written by somebody else who is more proficient in it. And loading plugin is fine as long as you keep these things in minimal, and too much of plugin will certainly slow down your Vim. So pick out judiciously. Don't randomly induct plugin if somebody else is using. If it is not coming to your workflow, don't think about it. Or if it is a trivial one, try to put some effort to write off your own, so you'll get a minimal overload while opening Vim. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.